The ADAPT trial AGS-003 is a trial of vaccine therapy with a personalized immunotherapy when combined with sunitinib in patients that present with primary tumors intact and metastatic renal cell carcinoma. And what we've done is we've further updated this data to demonstrate that impressive survival, a doubling in PFS, an improvement in overall survival compared with a cohort of patients that were matched from either the MSKCC or the HANG data suggests that our phase 3 trial, the ADAPT trial, which is now ongoing, should have the power to be able to demonstrate that a personalized vaccine may enhance people's outcomes for newly diagnosed clear cell patients that have presented with metastatic disease and a primary tumor intact, where the primary tumor is harvested and vaccine is generated, and then patients are treated in combination with sunitinib.